Welcome back, students. Today we'll study English Literature, Lesson 5, The Happy Field. So take out your English Literature book, page number 55. Before starting this lesson, I want to know that what do you understand by field? Can you tell me what is a field? Yes, a field is a piece of ground that is used to grow food. It usually has a fence or wall around it because it belongs to a farmer. Now we will begin this lesson. So student, turn to page number 56. Once upon a time there was a field. He was flat and covered with green grass. Only the cows thought his grass was delicious. Children, here delicious means tasty and enjoyable. In first para, we see the description of the field. How was the field? The field was flat and it was covered with green grass. You can see in the picture also. And which animal thought the grass of that field was delicious? Only cows thought that. After some time, he got tired of being plain and dull. Here plain means simple and bare, and dull means which is not interesting, boring. What am I going to do? I am so plain. He sobbed. Here sobbed means cried noisily. So here the field is thinking, actually the field is crying and asking a question to himself that what am I going to do? I'm so plain, I'm so dull, I'm of no use. Finally, he decided to grow a hump. Children, here hump means a round raised part of the ground. So he pushed and he shoved, and he pushed and he shoved till he grew a beautiful little hump. But as soon as a hump came up in one part, a hollow appeared in another part. So what happened when he decided to grow a hump? When he shoved and pushed twice, there was a hump, but on the other part there was a hollow too. Children, here hollow means an empty hole. Just then a cloud said, "Oh, look, a hollow," and poured rain into the hollow. The hollow became a lake, and very quickly ducks and geese landed in the water. Splash! So when hollow appeared in the next part, what happened, children? The clouds, they poured rain into it and there was water all over it, and it became a lake. Soon after, ducks and geese, they landed into the water. As you can see in the picture also. There is a picture left hand side, page number 56. You can see in the picture also. Splash here means sound made when someone or something falls into water. So students, today we will stop here and go through the chapter once again and try to learn all the difficult words and word meanings. Thank you.